Good day, GIS lovers. Welcome to this online course of ArcGIS Level 1. Do you know about GIS? If not, then don't worry. This course will make you from zero to hero in GIS sectors. After completing this course, you will learn about GIS, about ArcGIS software packages including ArcMap, ArcCatalog, ArcGlobe, and ArcScene. You will learn also some basic knowledge of Web GIS. We will learn in detail about ArcMap interface, georeferencing, map digitizing, what is shapefile, spatial data and non-spatial data, and also how to create a shapefile, what is raster data, ArcScene interface. We will learn in detail about geodatabase. What is geodatabase? How to create a new geodatabase, how to add new feature classes, how to import another shapefile to a geodatabase feature classes, and how to export geodatabase feature classes to another shapefile. Everything about geodatabase. And we will learn geoprocessing based analysis, raster data analysis, watershed delineation analysis by using raster elevation data. Not only that, before doing this practically, we will learn also what is watershed delineation. We will explain all of those steps of analysis which are being used in watershed delineation. Because without knowing this, how you can do this practically in your future research work of watershed delineation. Different types of advanced symbology which are unknown to maximum of us. And this is not the end. We are going to learn Python programming for ArcGIS, what is ArcPy, how to use Python script in our ArcGIS interface, magical trick to start any programming language very easily. You are going to enjoy the world of programming also. Attribute table, including tools of attribute table, field calculator, and also data types like float, double, integer, precision, scale, and many more. Map layout and a shortcut way to create any map layout very easily. Not only that, we are going to learn also in detail about ArcGlobe interface, how to work with ArcGlobe, including 3D mapping, vector data and base map, tools inside ArcGlobe, potentialities of ArcGlobe in ArcGIS, and so on. We are going to learn some tips and tricks of ArcGIS by which we can do our GIS project very easily and smartly. If you want to learn all of this, then enroll in this course to enjoy GIS in the field of ArcGIS.